Hello to all my listeners out there. So, I am back with another reading, and this reading is gonna be for all the Librans for the month of August 2020. So, let's see what we have coming up for all my Librans out there. Okay, I am really attached to the Libra sign actually. I don't know why. I feel attached to the Libra sign, but Saggy is my favorite sign. Librans, what's your energy? Your energy is super energetic at the moment. What's up with you guys? Okay, all the cards are coming out. Before they all come out, let's just take out ourselves. Okay? Okay, so what we have coming up for all Librans for the month of August. Okay, just another thing, I don't read reversals, and nothing, it's just something personal that I don't read reversals at all. Woohoo, Librans! Amazing, 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 amazing reading. Okay, so in the recent past we see Librans standing in their strength, but there was a lot of emotional healing required for all the Librans out there. There was some kind of sorrows. I won't say like particularly sorrows or heartbreaks, but there was some kind of emotional healing that was required in your case, Librans. So that healing, you did it really well, and right now, and after you did that healing, you started getting abundance. You started getting abundance in almost everything in your life. Maybe you were not able to see that abundance because it was not too much visible. Maybe you were like, okay, this was like supposed to happen. No, that wasn't supposed to happen. That happened because you were doing your emotional healing. That's what I see in your recent past. And in your present situation, definitely Librans. So in your recent situation also, I see you are standing in your own strength. You have all the strength in the world at the moment. You can conquer, you can achieve anything, but you are pretty stable as well. You are pretty stable. Just underneath the emotional healing, I do see that you did that emotional healing, but there's still something left that you actually need to heal, but you're on the horizon of completing it. It's simply like you're on the horizon of emotionally healing yourself from any kind of a situation. Maybe I won't say that it's completely a love life situation or completely a relationship. Maybe just in general in your life, you had to deal with some emotional issues you were going through, and you are on the horizon of healing yourself. You have almost everything. You are in your full strength to heal yourself. It's just that at the present moment you must also be feeling like what's going on. You may be too much in your energy. I'm not saying in a positive way. Too much in your energy, I would say, like, this is not happening, that is not happening, what's happening in my life, like I am not able to understand, like a chaotic mind, I would say. But that chaotic mind is because you are on the horizon of healing yourself. You are almost there. Like when you remember when we were climbing a hill, when you can actually see, okay, that's where I have to put my flag on, and just this much distance, like 10 steps or 20 steps are left, you're like, oh my god, let's just accomplish it, let's run and accomplish it. You are exactly at that point right now. And what comes after that? Abundance, abundance, abundance. Abundance in everything. Financial abundance, love life abundance, relationship abundance, family matters. There won't be any kind of family matters in your life. You will have abundance in your career, your love life, every single thing. And in your recent future, again abundance. See, everywhere it's just abundance in your life. Ace of Pentacles, prosperity, love, financial abundance, everything in abundance you're getting. So you see what the thing was. All you had to do was calm your chaotic mind. I don't know how you guys did it, but you actually did it. I mean, you meditated, or maybe I don't know what you went through, but you are actually able to calm your chaotic mind. And once you accomplish that, you got everything. Like everything was at your doorstep. All you had to do was heal yourself emotionally, heal your mind. And there it is, Librans. See, it's never been so easy for the air signs that I see. It's never been so easy for the air signs to heal themselves, but you actually did it. Perfect. Let me just get a clarification for this. Okay, so you're ready to conquer the world. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You are ready to give your cup of love, or your I won't say it's the cup of love. More in your case, I'm seeing that you are offering something, maybe something that you have, maybe like an educator. What happens in case of an educator? Like they are giving their knowledge to other people. So you will be giving your knowledge to other people, and eventually all the spirit guides, all the angels are with you. They are protecting you. They are protecting your little small world. And while you are giving the information to all the other people, like we as tarot readers, what we are doing, we are giving whatever we get from the divine, whatever messages we are getting from the divine, we are passing it on to that particular person. Maybe in some readings it's just that one person who needs to listen to that message. So we are giving our knowledge to that person. So in the same way, I see you giving your knowledge. Maybe you're some kind of, you are in an education field or something. You are giving your cup, you are giving your knowledge, your wisdom to other people. And people are coming towards you. They want, and it's simply like you have conquered the world. The whole world is in your hands, and you are just giving. And definitely in return there are all the angels looking at you. The divine powers are looking at you. They are seeing your hard work. They are seeing what you're giving into the world. You are on your spiritual journey. Yeah, some of you are on your spiritual journey as well. And maybe you are giving your spiritual knowledge to other people. Maybe some of you, this is the reason, and this is your soul mission. Yeah, maybe that's your divine purpose, that you're coming here, that you have come here into this world for. And I see that there are people around you, they're surrounding you, they are listening to what you're saying. You're giving your knowledge, and the people are gaining so much of knowledge from you. You have become like, we say a speaker. You have become such a famous personality. If you are in any kind of field, like maybe you've become famous on like YouTube or something, like, yeah, see, yeah, that's what I see in your recent future for all the Librans out there. Just that little bit of emotional healing, and that is also in the present situation, because in your present situation you are currently healing from that situation. You are doing efforts to heal from that situation, and you're right, you're like 20 steps away from it, you're maybe like 10 steps away from it, you're almost there. And then you'll have all kinds of abundance in love, abundance in financial matters, abundance in career, abundance in relationship, abundance in everything. So your present, your near future, I do see a lot of change. It's like a completely new personality. Because what we see in the recent past and what we see in the future, it looks like a completely different personality in whole. Yeah, so 2020 is giving you a lot, Librans. So that was the reading for all the Librans out there, the sign of Libra. And this reading was for August 2020. So if it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more readings. Okay? So I'll see you all in the next one. See you. Bye-bye.